Hello, today's magical colors, boys and girls. So let's draw shark today. To draw shark, what do we need? One pencil, one color, and a marker for outline. It's very easy to draw shark, okay? So we need one paper right here and a pencil. Let's draw shark. So what do we do? Make a V shape sideways, okay? You see? Go a little up and curve and go a little bit apart and then make one fin goes up, okay? Then let's go down a curve, and from here also we can do the same. Let's go a little bit down and then we're going to follow this body, okay? So we're going to just make one more line here, a little curve that goes up. Now we need a tail. Go up, down, make a V, and one more V and connect. It's easy. And then let's make eye, and they have some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 7. They have a gills here to breathe. See, they have fins here too. They have teeth. They are sharp. They eat food, right? They need teeth. We have to make like a pointy. See, like backwards V, and keep going. Yeah, let's make one more shark, which is going towards right. This is going towards left. This is going towards right. Okay, let's make it. So how to make it? Again, the same thing, okay? From the right side, we're going to go up, curve, and go down a little bit up. Yeah? Then let's make a mouth. This time we're going to make a little U mouth. Okay. So we can put some teeth inside. Now we need to make a body. Just make a curve, go up, and go down for the tail, and make a V shape and connect both of them. See, like this. And then let's make one eye here on the top of the head, one fin on the top, and they say they used to have 2 fins on the top, but now they have 2 fins here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the gills, and then make some teeth, okay? Yeah, it's an open big mouth. Now can we make one more that is jumping up, probably, and looking at this shark? Let's make it big V, just like V shape, and go down and make a mouth. Okay, so we need to make a one U shape here for the mouth, and let's put some teeth inside. There you go. It's very simple, zigzag lines, and you can rub this line if you like to. See, now the mouth is open. So shark can eat fish, right? And let's make one more fin and eye here. There you go. Let's make one fish that is looking up. Let's make it V, or like an A, and one like a U shape backwards. Okay, let's put the eye here. The corner is going upwards, and let's make one more big U for the mouth, so it can have all the teeth inside. Do you see? Oh, look like it's going upwards and jumping upwards, right? So all this shark, where do they live? They live in the ocean, the sea, right? They need some water. So let's put some water. So they all are underwater, right? They can even see underwater. Their visions are very excellent. They can see under the water. They eat fish, big fish, and they can eat what they like to under the water, but sharks are very picky. They eat what they like. They don't eat whatever they get. Yeah? So they are very picky eaters. Are you picky eaters too? Do you eat what your mama makes for you? I think you do. You all are good children, right? And let's color. The shark has a gray color. So we can color shark gray. Make sure you stay inside. You can also do outline if you like to. See? You can do outlines with a black Sharpie, and then you can color inside. You can color gray. That is our shark color, right? Do you all have a gray color? If not, it's okay. I'll show you how to do with the pencil also. You can color with the pencil too. They swim, sharks swim 30 to 40 miles per hour, you know, and they can see even in the dark under the sea to find their food. And you know, they have the sense of smelling is very good. Even from far away, they can smell real good. See, you can hold your pencil like this. You can make a gentle line slowly without going outside. So you try to color the rest of the shark, and if it comes out a little bit, you can always rub your pencil, right? But you cannot rub your crayons. So try to do slowly, gently in one direction, see? And very gently. Do not do dark lines, okay? It looks messy. And I know you all do a great job. So draw and color, okay? Let's do outline. I'll do it for one, and then you do it for all on your paper. So you'll see how we made it. Remember how we made it? Backwards V, and then one V, and connect them. And make a V first. Remember, we made the V first. We went all the way up, curve, one fin, go down. The same here, curve a little bit and make a line that is a little bit going upwards and connect with the tail. Make two fins and make some gills so they can breathe, right? They need eyes and gills and teeth to eat. Need to eat, right? They're hungry, but they eat food sometimes, and their food, they can store it in their stomach also, and it lasts for 3 to 4 months. Yeah, so they can hold their food, and once they eat a good big meal, they don't eat every day, right? So now you draw shark and take care. Bye.